So welcome dear LinkedIn Community Composites Launch members. I'm here in Azerbaijan at a very special complex. So it's the Sumgayit Industrial Park, and in this industrial park there are 39 companies manufacturing different kinds of parts. So I've been today at very interesting manufacturing companies that have invested millions of dollars here in this production. So right now you see behind me a sandwich panel construction for this entire hall of factories. So you got steel, you got inside some insulation, thermal insulation materials, which are of course flame retardant. So you see that within the Azerbaijan industrial sectors, you can also come with your investments and let the machines run here. From Azerbaijan, the opportunity to go to the neighbor countries like Uzbekistan, Tajikistan and all these STAN countries, the CAC countries, are possible, of course. So in this park there are approximately 6,000 permanent jobs and employment is coming, and it's going strong, of course. Even though that neighborhood politically has a crisis and some critical ongoings, Azerbaijan is in a growing mood. So follow me for more. We are here today at Assan STP, which is a panel producer, and we thank you so much for being our host today.
After visiting Assan STP, our journey through Sumgayit Industrial Park continues with two more examples of Azerbaijan's industrial transformation. Here at Azerfloat, we see how advanced manufacturing is creating new opportunities beyond traditional industries. As Azerbaijan's first float glass producer, the company supplies high-quality architectural and industrial glass under the Karabakh glass brand. What is particularly impressive is not only the technology behind the production process, but also the international reach. Glass manufactured here is supplied to customers across Europe and other global markets, demonstrating how products made in Azerbaijan are successfully competing on the international stage. Our next stop is Baku Karton, where packaging solutions are produced for a growing range of industries. Modern cardboard and box manufacturing may not always be visible to the end customer, but it is an essential part of every industrial supply chain. By combining production capacity with future plans for recycling and circular use of materials, the company is contributing to a more sustainable manufacturing ecosystem. Together, Azerfloat and Baku Karton highlight how innovation, export orientation and industrial diversification are shaping the next chapter of Azerbaijan's economic development. From glass to packaging, the message is clear: value is being created right here in Sumgayit.
Ilkay, Özkisaoglu, creating sustainable value with Composites 360 on tour. Weekly on LinkedIn, YouTube and your preferred audio podcast app.